lesson, I have explained that what is phrase. Basically, phrase is a group of words having incomplete sense or incomplete thought. Phrase is group of 2 or 3 words which has no subject and verb combination. So there is a difference between phrase and clause. In clause we have subject and verb, but in phrase we have no subject and verb because phrase gives incomplete sense. So we have the topic adverb phrase. So it is a group of words. It is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. So the difference between adverb and adverb phrase, and it is also called adverbial phrase. So the difference is that in the adverb we have a single word. Adverb we have a single word, and in adverb phrase we have more than one word. 2 or more than 2 words. So it is called adverb phrase, and it also works of an adverb. It does the work of an adverb. Examples are in the first example. Now you can see that in the first example, if I write Ali ran quickly. So in this example, you can see that here Ali is a subject and it is noun, it's verb, and this one, the word quickly is adverb because it is modifying verb. It is adding something to the meaning of adverb. In the second example, Ali ran at a great speed. Ali ran at a great speed. So the meaning of both sentences is same, but here you can see that we have changed the word quickly with at a great speed. We have changed the word quickly at a great speed. So the word quickly is adverb, but when we change into at a great speed, so at a great speed is a phrase because it has no subject verb combination. So it is called adverb phrase. It is called adverb phrase. So more examples are the bird fly, or you can say the pigeon flies swiftly. So in this sentence, you can see that verb is swiftly, and now we have to change this adverb into adverb phrase. So how we can change? Basically, it is adverb of manner. How the pigeon flies. How the pigeon flies. The question is how. So when we ask the question how, so it means it's adverb of manner. So it flies swiftly. What does swiftly mean? With great speed. With great speed. So we can change it into the pigeon flew with great speed. The pigeon flew with great speed. Now here, with great speed. We have used this word. We use this word instead of swiftly. Swiftly is adverb, but when we use with great speed, so it is adverb phrase. It is adverb phrase, or you can call it adverbial phrase. So here we have the same thing, adverbial phrase. So when we use one word which modifies verb, adjective or another verb, it is called adverb. Like Ali ran quickly, so here it is adverb, and didn't fly swiftly, the word swiftly is adverb. But when we use more words instead of adverb, so it is called adverb phrase, or you can call it adverbial phrase. Take the screenshots. I'm repeating it. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb, and another definition is adverbial phrase is a term for two or more words which play the role of an adverb. Look at these examples. So basically, adverb phrase plays the role of an adverb, but it has more than two words, two or more than two words. So next examples are, if I say, I'll sit quietly. If I say, I'll sit quietly, so in this sentence, the word adverb is quietly, because I'll sit. So how I sit? I'll sit quietly. So it's adverb. And when I use the word instead of quietly, so it would be like that. I'll sit in silence. I'll sit in silence. So these words are used instead of adverb. So these words are called adverb phrase or adverbial phrase. Next we have, if we use this word, next example is, he built his house there. So in this sentence, you can see that the word there is adverb. The word there is adverb, and it is adverb of place. It is adverb of place. How it is adverb of place? Because it answers the question where. He built his house where? So the answer is there. So it is adverb of place. So now we are going to change it into adverbial phrase or adverb phrase. He built his house. He built his house at that place. So the meaning same, but we are using more words, so it is known as adverbial phrase. It is known as adverb phrase. One more example is, if I write, he tried hard. He tried hard. So in this sentence, the word hard is adverb, and if we change it into adverb phrase, So how we can change it? So hard means, to work hard means with great effort, with great deal. Okay, so we can change it. He tried with a great deal of effort. So we use the word with a great deal of effort. We use these words instead of hard. So these words are called adverb phrase. These words are called adverb phrase because these words play the role of adverb in the sentence. Just again take a screenshot, then we'll move forward. Next we have, the example is, he spoke eloquently and the next sentence is, if we change it into adverb phrase, so we can change like that. He spoke with good speaking skills. With good speaking skills. So in these sentences, the word eloquently is adverb because it is modifying verb. It is modifying verb and it is adverb of manner. He spoke. So the question is, how did he speak? How? The question is how. So when the question is how, so it means it is adverb of manner. So eloquently means, it means with good speaking skills, means fluently. So we have used these words instead of one word. So these words are called adverb phrase. The last example is,
सर eloquently का मतलब क्या है? Eloquently.
so it means fluently, with good English, with good skills, with good speaking skills. The last example is, did Sarah behave well? Did Sarah behave well? So it is also adverb of manner, that how Sarah behaved. How did Sarah behave? So the word will is adverb. The word well is adverb. So now we are going to change this word into adverb phrase. Did Sarah behave in a good way? So well means good. In a good way, so it would be adverb phrase. It would be adverb phrase. So the difference between adverb and adverb phrase is that adverb has only one word, it is a single word. But when we talk about adverb phrase, so in the adverb phrase, we have more than two words. And adverb phrase play same role in the sentence. They have same role, but the difference is adverb has single word and phrase. You know the definition of phrase, that a group of words which gives incomplete sense. So you can see that in a good way, with good speaking skills, all these are the phrases, and these phrases have incomplete meaning, incomplete thought. So again, I'm repeating the definition of adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a term for two or more words which play the role of an adverb